left leg down, right foot over your left knee, left elbow against your right knee, and then twist and push with your left elbow against your right knee, and then twist until you reach your limit, and then once you reach that limit, go beyond your limit by pushing beyond, and you should hear a crack again, like so. Please advise your doctor, physician, chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.